Hey, Tommy, how are you?
Good, Kevin. How are you?
I'm doing all right. What are you working on?
Well, I actually got a letter from Brian from Minnesota. He actually has a tip.
Terrific. Lay it on us.
Well, what do you do with all the collection of gloves that you have around your house? You know, if you're working in the yard, you have a pair of gloves, or maybe carrying some lumber around, or putting some nails in.
It does seem like there are a lot of different gloves out there these days.
Right. And the kids with all their gloves and mittens, what are you doing? Well, he has a tip where you take a clamp and some string, drill a hole in the clamp, and you make a tree out of the clamps.
No kidding.
All right. So take the hole. I'm going to just fold up the string like this. Put it through the hole in the clamp.
Look at you. You're like a little seamstress there, huh?
Push it right through there.
I'm going to grab that side.
Get those little fingers in there. There you go.
All right.
Pull it. Now I'll just fold it over the clamp like that. Now I can adjust it any way I want.
Add it to a chain, huh?
Right, and I'll just tie a loop in the top.
And so what's the idea? Once you have all the clamps tied on there, you can just start clipping your gloves?
Yeah, grab them as a pair and clip them anywhere, but they're always organized together,
Well,
so you can just grab
clever.
a pair that you want.
Do one more for you right
So
there.
now I just take the tree over to the pole,
Look at this.
and I hook it on a nail or a hook, and now I know where my gloves are.